Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much friends for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy beautiful Glaxy nail art ideas. It's an amazing and trendy nail art. So friends, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning and so unique and useful, especially for nail art lovers. I hope you all love these type of beautiful themes and beautiful nail art collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of nail art collection. I really hope that they will love these amazing ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these most amazing designs on your nails for more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your nail art. So friends, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay friends, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.